Hey, everybody, it's Joe Messenger, Director of College Planning here at Capstone. The FAFSA, the new FAFSA that is rolled out here, it hasn't been as simple as we thought, but there are some advantages and disadvantages, I think, to what's going on. So just a quick kind of recap. We've done dozens of these now. What we've learned, a couple things. Number one is that the student and the parent both need to submit the form. What we have learned is the best way to do that is to have the parent fill out their form and sign it, and then have the student fill out the form and sign it. So with the new FAFSA and the new rules, there is a two-factor authentication that either needs to be sent to it through a text message or to an email. We're probably used to those from other things we do these days, but understand if you go in there, if you are filling it out as a parent, and then the student is also going to need to do that, they will require that two-factor authentication to go in. So again, do the parent uh, version first and then go in as the student for the 24-25 FAFSA. That's the key. Before you get in there, make sure your FSA IDs are set up. You've got your authentication of your two-factor authentication methods. It'll make it all a lot smoother. As you go through the system, it should be relatively self-explanatory. The nice part is you have to sign off that you're allowing the federal government, to the IRS, to provide information. So you will sign off on that. It actually has streamlined the process quite a bit, made that a lot quicker than it has been in the past. So those are a couple tips and tricks, and hopefully it's not too intimidating and it doesn't time you out as it did the first couple weeks of the year. So good luck out there. Let us know if and how we can help, and we'll see you soon.